Is your cleaning routine a never-ending battle against dust bunnies and fur monsters? Do you dream of a lightweight warrior that conquers dirt with surprising strength and a dash of eco-friendly charm? Enter the Kenmore DU2012 Bagless Upright Vacuum, a vibrant green machine that's as easy on your arms as it is on the environment. Don't be fooled by its cheerful color. This little powerhouse packs a serious cleaning punch, all while remaining a lightweight champion in your fight for a spotless home. Let's explore the features of this dynamic duo and see if the DU2012 is the cleaning partner you've been searching for. Lightweight design, maneuvering made easy. One of the most appealing aspects of the DU2012 is its weight, a mere 14 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, navigate stairs, and reach those awkward corners and crevices that often become dust havens. The swivel steering adds to this ease of use, allowing you to effortlessly clean around obstacles without straining your back. This lightweight design is a major benefit for anyone with limited mobility, those who live in multi-story homes, or simply those tired of wrestling with a heavy vacuum cleaner. Double the power, double the cleaning performance. Despite its lightweight design, the DU2012 packs a punch with its two-motor system. This delivers strong suction for deep cleaning carpets and rugs, effectively removing dirt, debris, and even stubborn pet hair. The suction control feature allows you to customize the cleaning for optimal performance on various surfaces. For example, you can increase suction for deep carpet cleaning and reduce it for delicate rugs or hard floors like hardwood, tile, or laminate. HEPA filtration for cleaner air. If allergies or pet dander are a concern, the DU2012's HEPA filtration system offers a breath of fresh air literally. This advanced filtration system captures a significant 99.7% of dust, dirt, and allergens, trapping them inside the vacuum and improving indoor air quality. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners or those suffering from allergies. Extended reach for versatility. The DU2012 boasts a 10-foot flexible hose that extends your cleaning reach. This allows you to clean a wider variety of surfaces without constantly switching between the main cleaning head and attachments. For even more cleaning flexibility, the vacuum comes with two convenient attachments. 3-in-1 combination tool. This versatile tool combines a crevice tool for reaching tight spaces like corners and baseboards, a dirt brush for dusting furniture and upholstery, and an upholstery brush for removing pet hair from fabric surfaces. Upholstery tool. This dedicated tool tackles pet hair and dirt specifically on furniture upholstery. Convenience features for effortless cleaning. The DU2012 prioritizes user-friendliness with several features that streamline your cleaning routine. The bagless design eliminates the need to constantly purchase and replace vacuum bags, saving you money and time. The transparent dust cup allows you to easily see when it needs emptying, minimizing interruptions during cleaning. Is the Kenmore DU2012 Bagless Upright Vacuum right for you? This vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning solution. Here's who might benefit most. Pet owners. The powerful suction and HEPA filtration effectively tackle pet hair and allergens. Apartment dwellers. Compact size and lightweight design are ideal for smaller living spaces. Busy families. Quick and efficient cleaning with convenient features makes cleaning less of a chore. What to consider before you buy. While the DU2012 is a great general-purpose vacuum, it might not be ideal for everyone. Here are some things to consider. Deep carpet cleaning. For homes with extremely thick carpets, a more powerful upright vacuum might be necessary. Noise level. While not the loudest vacuum on the market, some users might find the noise level a bit high. Overall, the Kenmore DU2012 Bagless Upright Vacuum is a solid contender in the lightweight bagless upright category. Its powerful suction, versatility, and HEPA filtration make it a valuable addition to most homes. While it might not be the most powerful machine on the market, it offers excellent value for its price and is a great option for those seeking a user-friendly and convenient cleaning experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.